Hello YouTube, and I'm going to show you how to make your fire bigger with your lighter. As you can see, it's huge. You can make it smaller. What you're going to need one of these, and pretty small. Can't really see right now, but there's a little thing right here. Hang on a second, let me try to. It's a little black thing. Anyways, you move it side to side if you want it bigger or smaller. Oh shit. And then, yeah. Just take off the cap of it and move this. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe.